Hello everyone and welcome back to Rimmel London's YouTube channel. My name is Lena Bugs, or you can call me Bugs, and today I'm going to be doing this creepy, cute, clown-inspired look for Halloween. If you want to find out how to get this look done, then just keep on watching. First up, I'm going to go in with Rimmel London's Magnifies Crimson Edition eyeshadow palette. I'll be using this really pretty pinkish red shade first. We're just going to be adding this red color into the crease and then bring it down towards the lid. I'm also just gonna run the tiniest bit on the lower lash line. Now we're jumping into liner, and I'm going to be using the Scandalize Micro Eyeliner. So we're gonna do a normal wing on this eye, and then we're gonna do something fun with the other eye. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be using the Scandalize Waterproof Gel Liner to create a swirl over my left eye. So we're gonna start from the inner corner and kind of just follow the shape of your lid and take it to the wing. So from the wing, we're going to create this shape. It's gonna look really bad before it looks good, so don't be scared. So we're taking the swirl to our eyebrows, and you can fill them in later with actual brow product, but for now, we're using it as an outline for the swirl. And then we're gonna bring it down to our cheeks, kind of just leave it there for now. And then we're gonna go over the faded outlines, kind of perfect it a little bit, and then clean it up with concealer. So now I'm gonna be cleaning up the edges of the spiral and kind of reshaping it a little bit with the Stay Matte Concealer in Porcelain. So this is why I didn't set my face earlier, so you can easily just clean up around the spiral and not worry about it. So now we're going to really take it to Clown Town and add a little bit more details on this side of the face using the same Scandalize Waterproof Gel Liner. And we're just gonna draw a triangle above the brow and fill it in. A little dot on top. And then we're going to do the same exact shape, but on the lower lash line. This area is typically less flat than your forehead, so this might be a little harder. Another little boop right here. Now we're gonna smoke out the lash line just a bit with the Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. So I actually am such a huge fan of the mechanical eyeliners. They're the only eyeliners that I use. I love this Rimmel one so much. I love that it's waterproof, so it's not gonna come off on my lower lash line throughout the day. Now I'm going to apply this brow with the Brow This Way Eyebrow Definer in Soft Black. This brow pencil is actually so amazing. It creates such good brow strokes. Now for a classic clown smile, we're gonna be adding the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Pitch Black. So now using a small liner brush and the same liquid lipstick, I'm going to connect this piece to my lips and then create the clown mouth on this side to complete the clown look. Now to set this look to make sure you are clowning all night long, we're gonna use the Stay Matte Fix and Go setting spray. So now that the majority of this look is done, I'm going to add a few finishing touches and I'll be right back. So that is it for the finished look. I hope you guys loved my creepy cute clown. Don't forget to check out the description box below if you want to find out the products that I used for this look. Don't forget to subscribe to Rimmel London's YouTube channel and follow me at Lena Bugs on Instagram and YouTube if you want to see more cool Halloween stuff from me. Thanks so much for watching and have a spooky season.